System has been shared, sir. I can hear you.
Yeah. Okay. Maybe a problem with the Praveen side only. Okay. I think everyone. You can. Amit also can hear my voice. You also can hear me. Only Praveen. Hello. Okay. Listen. I think Praveen is not going to join. Okay. Let it be. I'll start with the recording. Okay. Development. Okay. Report in development. Okay. Report. Okay, that report we already worked on. First, let me show. This development report system will generate one request number. Okay, workbench request number. Okay, workbench request number. This workbench request will transport from development system to quality system for testing purpose. Okay, testing. This is for testing purpose. Okay, testing. Okay. Then here exactly one program, one report. Hello, Praveen.
I can hear you now.
Okay. Maybe that is setting problem, I think. Okay,
No. I connected my headset. I didn't realize. I just disconnected.
Okay. Disconnecting. Okay. Let's see. Okay. See here. Okay, means we have seen in any client we have, okay, in client landscape we have 4 clients in client landscape. Okay, client landscape we have 4 clients. One is the development system, quality system, production system, and another one is sandbox client. The 4 clients are there. In this 4 client for implementation purpose we can use these 3 clients. Okay, majorly we'll focus on these 3 clients. Sandbox is only for practice purpose. Here, as a developer, we always will create in development only, like any program. Like example, let's take one screen program, ZInsert program. ZInsert will create in a development system only. If you check it in quality system, it won't available. Means we will develop here, but in quality system empty. Here also empty. Means how to move this development system to quality client and production client. That concept only I am going to explain here clearly. Okay, clearly. What is the use of this ZInsert? What is the use? Okay, how to move this development to quality client. Here, okay, one program already we have. 2 clients also I have. Let me open 2 clients. One is 800 client, another one is 810 client. Both I can show clearly transportation procedure. Let me log in. First client is 800 client only with the username with password, same password. The same password. The same I will log in with the. Okay, I will log in with the 800 with the username with the this one. Okay, this one. Okay. Now I have the 800 client. I have 810 client. 810 is nothing but example quality. Okay. Okay, here also we have ZInsert, I think. Why means because both all screens are same. Okay, all screens are same. Okay, then let me show here exactly. Let me show here some tables I'll show. Okay, customized table. Any table which we created ZGR customer. Let's see. This table is having number of entries. How many number of entries are there? Okay, 3 entries. Okay, let me check here. SC11 in development system, GR customer, change button. Okay, display content, number of entries, 3 only it is there. Okay, number of entries. Now I am going to create here. There is no create option here. There is no create option. Okay, now I am going to create here latest record, C5, any other data, city, like date of birth, okay, 01/01/2021, the postal code, the region. Okay, now if I say latest record. But if I save here, it is updating here also. Exactly here also, because server is same. That's what in client, other client also is repeating. Okay, it is repeating. But this is not the procedure in real time, because server will be different for development, server will be different for quality. But here two servers are same. Okay, that's what it is repeating the same data. Two clients it is repeating. Okay, but transportation will work. I'll show it. Let's one table I will copy here only. Okay, means to do this transportation, first we have to take one request. Okay, just select the existing table only or any transaction, click on copy and rename it. Okay, rename it to some 101. This is a table. It will ask immediately package already existed. You can give some other name. Action is cancelled. Copy, enter some other number. Continue. See here it is package. Package is important here. Without package you cannot run. Enter. And request number also let me show you here. Continue. This is we can call workbench request. This workbench request created by only technical consultant. This is not related to functional consultant. Okay, click on create button. This is Gangadhar request. Okay, Gangadhar request. Continue. Here, this is the number. This is we are calling transport request number. TR we can call TR. Okay, CR change request number. Okay, transport request number. Change request. This is the number is created, but system automatically it will create another request number by default. Okay, 16 also it will create. Okay. For this is we can call main task. This is we can call subtask. Okay, main task or subtask. Main subtask contains your table name. Okay, table is there. If you want to check this table properly activated or not, we have to release first to subtask name. Let me continue with this name. Continue. I will activate this one. I will activate this table. Now it is in new position. Activate. Continue. Now table is ready. Table is ready. This table I have to transport from 800 client to 810 client. Example 800 to 810. If I want to transport first, I have to release that procedure. Okay, we have to do that. Okay, release option. Okay, release option. Okay, release option. Okay, releases. This releases to release this one. We can use here SC09, SC10, SC01 transaction code. This all transaction code for release request. Okay, release request. Okay, release request. You can use it. Okay, release request you can use it. Now this release request you can use here. Activate. Go to back button. Go to back button. SC09 or SC10 or SC01, any number you can use it. Okay, any number you can use. Enter. Select your SC09 or SC10 or 01, any number, T code. Select here your username, enter your username and click on workbench request. Okay, click on workbench request. Why? Because workbench is not a technical related point. Click on that. Under that here we have one option is there. Okay, one option is here. Released is there, modifiable is there. Okay, released is modifiable. Okay, now if you want to observe that, okay, observe that, click on display option. Okay, click on display option. Continue. Okay, continue. There are here now latest request is 615, which I copied that request number 615. Okay, 61. That same request is appearing here. The same. If you open that sequence, okay, you can see here 616 also. Under 616, this is sub request, subtask. This is main request. Okay, main request. Under that, here you have table definitions is there. Table option is there. Select this main request number. Select this one. Okay, click on release this one. Okay, click on this one. Click on that. See here, now it is there. Okay. Over. Okay, now this is a request. Now done. Okay, transport means sorry, only released. Sub request only it is released. Okay, sub request only released. Okay, now select the main request number. Select the main request. Select the once again, okay, release directive. Select it. Here. Now this object has been released from development. It is released, but which system it is transported is still not transported, only released. If it is released, means there is no error in this request. It is properly working. That is the meaning of the release. It is properly working. Okay, meaning of release. Now, as a developer, okay, we will transport. Okay, we will use this. Okay, sorry, as a developer, our part is releasing request only our part. Then we have to copy this request number. Then we have to raise this request. We have to send request number to team leader and basis consultant and project manager. Okay, so and so object has been released my side and transport to develop quality server. Means they will do that one. But that procedure also I am explaining. Okay, the basis consultant what they will do? They will go to the. They will go to the. Okay, that client, quality client, they will log in. Okay, quality client, and they will use another transaction code called SCC1. Okay, under 810 client, they will log in with the username and password. Username and password. You continue. Okay, go to here. SCC1 in the second client. Which one? In the like quality system, we have to log in SCC1. Okay, excuse me. SCC1. Okay, once if you enter SCC1, here copy by transport request it is here. Okay, copy by transport request. Here we have to enter. Okay, which is your source? Here my source is example. Here we are working 800. 800 is my source. What is your target? 810 is your target. 800. What exactly you are transporting? Table. For table, what request it is there? Okay, this is the main request number. This request number I am calling to this one. You have to go to in this server, enter in this server SCC1 and directly here. This is the number, it is default, it is there, but you will enter here 615. This is which we generated 615. Okay, enter. Then go to schedule. Okay, scheduled as a background means we can schedule the background also, but we have to see the process clearly. That's what start immediately only can give. Even including request subtask, test run. Okay, all we can select it and start immediately. Better you can see the foreground only. Foreground means we can see steps. If you click here, it will show clearly. Say program has run successfully. Means this program is successfully completed. Okay, once if this program is successfully completed, okay, we will check in SC11 that same transport request for this client. What is the name? This is the latest name. It's 10. Go to SC11. For this 1212 I created, I think. Click on change. You can see the changes here. In this client also you can change it. Now 810 client also it will work. For any program, okay, releasing procedure is same. Okay, just the way of usage will be different. Means here transporting request is nothing but transporting your development client to data to okay, quality client as well as production client. Okay, as well as production client. Here which one is transporting? First you have to identify. We have two types of requests are there. One is workbench request. Okay, workbench. Another one is customizing request. Customizing request. Meaning this workbench request created by technical team. We are this functional consultant created by customizing request functional team. Okay, this is not our part. Customization. Okay, our part is only this one. Okay, only any report in 800 client, any report or any form or any T code. Okay, very simple way you can use it. using SC38, even report, existing report. Just copy that one. Okay, copy this name. Check this one. Okay, same report is working. Test here, test here. Come back, come back. Copy this report. Okay, copy name, copy, and enter the all the documentation, all whatever it is there. Copy. Request number we are going to change now. See here. Now it will come empty request, because this transport request number is released already. This is released already. Okay, that's why it is still empty. Next time you have to create new request number. This is report request you have to enter. Continue. Continue. Click on continue. Okay, this is 617. Okay, report request. Now this is done. You have to activate here. Okay, you have to activate here. Continue. Click back button. Go to go to in 800 client only. In 800 client, go to 800 client. Go to SC09 or SC10, any T code. Workbench request, report request. This time report only will appear here. It won't appear any tables. Last time my request contains table. See here. Table it is there. Table I transferred. Now this time I am transferring my classical report. Okay, same procedure. Select the sub request number, transport, release. Select the main request number, release. Each and every request we have to release, then only. Subtask, we are calling two names. One is subtask, main task, or sub main task name, subtask, main task name and subtask name, and main request to sub request. We can call another name called main request to sub request. We can call, but any name. But in the SAP scenario, admin scenario, we can call task. In ABAP scenario, we can call release. Okay, main release, the main request, sub request. Now same request we will deliver to 810 client. Here we will enter SCC1. Here you have to enter 17. Okay, include request. Start immediately. Immediately here. Don't click the question now. You can see here. Do you want to copy the client data from 800 client to 810? Means it is transporting. That only I have written here. Means it is transporting from 800 to 810. Click yes. Then it will take some time. Immediately it will run that program. Okay, immediately it is completed. Then if you check the same program name, okay, it will work in 810 also. In 810 also it will work. Go to SC38, enter the program name. What is the program name? 10. Now you can edit in this also. You can edit both sides. You can edit. Okay, this type of transportation we can do. If you have one more system, production system also, almost same as it is. In production system, you have to go. Okay, just to enter that request number from which system you are entering. The details you have to give here. Okay, those details. These concepts we can call. Okay, workbench request. Even function also I'll show one step. Okay, OX15 is the T code for company creation. Company. Actually, this OX15 is a T code to create the company names. But this is not technical related part. This is related to functional. I am creating here one request. Okay, this is like Ganga company I am creating. Ganga India. See, once if I click country name and enter the country name, save it. The Ganga name is already existed. Ganga 1. Save it here. here one request is this is related to here customizing request. This okay, no link between customizing and workbench. This is separate request. This is related to only functional. I have written already here. Workbench is technical, functional is customizing. This customizing request, if you see here customizing, okay, this is the number. This number we have to copy this number. We'll see that next. Okay, if I click create new one, okay, Gangadhar request I'll enter. Okay, new one I'll copy better. 19. Okay, 19. Don't copy this one. But system automatically will generate one more number. Okay, 620. Continue. Okay, continue. Okay, then continue. That's it. Now it is done. Click back button. Click back button. If we go to uncheck this one, okay, go to uncheck this one. We have to go to here. Okay, we have to go to here. Okay. SC09. You can check here. This time don't select this option. Select with the request type is customizing. Then click on continue. You can see the same Gangadhar request. Sorry, 619, 620. Okay, that name is company name I created Ganga. You can see it. Ganga 1 it is stored. Same procedure. Releasing is same as it is. Select the sub request, subtask, continue. If it is correct, it will release it. Then main request it will release. Main request it will release. This option we are calling okay releasing request. Okay, releasing. Okay, next option is how to identify the performance of the report. Okay, performance of the report means how to check that performance. Next, performance of report you can check by using SC30, SC30. Okay, like any report already we created that report. Let me open that report only. SC38. What happened? SC38. This report only I will open. If this report is running properly, means it is here within second only it is coming data. It's okay. But database, if you see, means for to fetch this data, how much time it is taking database time, how much time it is taking runtime, how much taking is time. Okay, all okay, it will be considered in real time point of view. To check this performance of this report, we will go to SE30. Okay, SE30. Go to SE30. Here we have that there is a new transaction SAT. Okay, don't run with SE no one. You can run with directly old also, no problem. You can see easily, clearly old SC30. It will show like this: ABAP runtime analysis. Because the name of the SC30 is nothing but a runtime analysis. Means how we can monitor. Okay, that is runtime analysis. How you can see that what is the performance of the report. To check that runtime analysis of the report, okay, report or transaction or function model, anything. Go to SC30, continue, select the program, and any whatever program. If it's program, if it is transaction, you have to select it. Same report you have to enter. Click on execute. This is a default data. Let it be same default data. Then I will run one more time. Then you will see the difference. Execute it. Now it has run. It display the data. You can come back. You will get like one option. Could not end with measurement. Why? This is click enter. Immediately one option will get performance data file. You will get it. In this one, you have the size of the data also it is displayed. You can evaluate this one. If you evaluate, it will show that graphical representation. What is the database? What is the ABAP system? What is system? You can see it. What is the database time? Database time is microseconds, 5.5. Means if it is greater than 50, it is there. This ABAP database, your performance is poor. ABAP server, no problem. ABAP coding, that is coding means declaration. That is no issue. Even 90 also, 99 also it is. Okay, system, your front-end system. Okay, front-end system. This is means you can check like database system. It should be less than 50%. Then that program only you can access. Now let me run that once again, same report with the select query. Select star I will give. Select star I will give. Okay, let it be 800 client. Go to change this SC38. Just I will come back to this program. I am going to change the now same coding. I am going to change with the I'll comment this one. Star I will give. Validation also I will remove it. Then you can observe. This is from excuse me. Okay, now it is ready. Just I maintain star. Okay, what will happen in database? Let's observe. Activate new request. Okay, new request. Continue. Activate testing. Okay, it is working. No problem. Let's come back. Now I will run once again. Same SC30. Go back to SC30. Old SAT. Same program name. Run once again. Don't enter any values. Execute. Click back button. Check here, evaluate. Okay, it is just only 5% is something increase, but I think it is impressions are there. Okay, database impression, you have to refresh it. It will change automatically. It will change that particular this one. Database it will be increased because select star is no. Star is nothing but performance should be decreased automatically. Okay, that it will change that one. Okay, come back. Immediately it is still buffer data only it is coming, I think. See, 13.7 the performance. Okay, means select star means it will be burden on database compulsory. Okay, otherwise I'll write it same code. In one more report. Then I'll check the create a new executable. Save it. Continue. Continue. Check here. Activate here. What is giving error? ABAP program. Okay, I copied this name. No? That's why it is. Check this one. Activate. Test here. Working. I'll go to SC30. Latest one. It will come. Latest report. I will execute once again. Execute it. Come back. This is a new report. No? New report. Then if you click evaluate. Okay, see here 15% means database. It will change like based on that particular data. Okay, it will change it. To maintain this type of runtime to check that particular process of runtime analysis, we can use this SC30. Okay, we can use this SC30. Okay, next. If you want to observe any issues related to ABAP related, like internal related issues, okay, we can call okay, SLIN is one code is there. Otherwise, you can cross check by using one option here, the program execute. Check. Here we have syntax check is there. You can check the syntax check. You have one more option is there. Check main program. So means all like different checkings are there. Here we can check it. This another check we can call code inspector is there, or extended program check is there. If you click this extended program check, one separate screen will be opened. The T code name is SLIN. That is a T code name is SLIN. Okay, and these all it will check performs call any screen, any authorizations related. Okay, anything, everything will check like what is the issue in the ABAP program. Okay, same report name it will come, and if you execute it, it will show list of the errors. It will show like not errors, even warnings also it will show here. Okay, it is running. See here, error should be 0, warning should be 0, messages should be 0. Then only you can use that particular without no warnings also. When you use some customized tables, like in first classes we used to write customized tables, no? Let me show that customized table. I don't know which table that is, which report is there. Any reports are there, any internal table, something. A star, a customized table. Internal table, second way, or okay, let me select the second way because standard customized table only we use right here. Okay, this is standard only. Okay, Z insert. I need customized table here. Okay, customized. Okay, next way. Okay, this is customized table. Okay, let me run now this report. This report. Let me check here. This report is already maintained with the warning messages. Okay, maybe here extras enhancement. Okay, let me change here. Extras enhancement category can be okay. It is not maintained. Okay, first let it be not classified only. I'll keep it. Then how warning message it will show, like I'll show it. Now for that customized, I maintained already this one. Okay, this one. Okay, let it be. Now you can observe the warning message, how it look like. Activate here. Okay, now go to check here extended program checker. Then run here, it will show the warning, 2 warnings. Okay, 1 warnings here. But count it won't show that warning. That is a field attributes. If I execute here, you can see the structures are not okay added statically in the program. It is can be hidden, but actually not. This is a so one more extra that also it will just be like enhancement related. Okay, display the results. Structure not addressed statically in the program can be hidden using that program is / needed. It is given just warning only. It is not error. Okay, you can avoid this warnings if it is there. Sometimes issue is there. If you double click that issue, immediately it will show the issue related. And using okay, we can identify this line. We can identify extended program checker okay, to solve the issues. Okay, internal issues, any micro issues or micro warnings we can use for this program extended checker. Okay, this is just a code inspector is nothing but just this is another okay, option. Okay, directly you can execute from code inspector means to validate to check this okay, directly. That is SLIN is the T code for this SLIN is the T code to check the extended programming checker. Okay, extended program checker. So these are all only for testers means who are like our seniors. Okay, program seniors like a team is there, they always will check this type of testings. Then if it is any issues are there, they will ask you okay change this select query star queries like that they will ask, then they will give some feedback. Based on that we have to implement those ones. Okay, we have to implement those ones. See here. Now I click the code inspector. This is a code inspector transaction code is a SCID. SCID is a SCID. We never use directly T code. Just example to identify that one. SCID is the code. You can enter. If you observe now here, see a list of checks means performance checks it is checking, security checks it is checking, syntax checks it is checking, user interfacing. User interface is 0, nothing. Syntax check it is checking nothing. Check in this performance checker. Somewhere here it is giving 1. Okay, where class it is giving. What is where class? Check that one. Warning only it is giving. What is warning? Open that one. Program is 22 column. Okay, row it is showing that condition. Just to double click that warning and check that particular program. Okay, but no error because we did not write any where condition. That's what it is giving this particular option. The where class is not there. Okay, first row 22 columns. This first row include 22 columns 0. Okay, no where condition is given because I did not write where condition. That's what it displayed here where condition here. Okay, that's all. Okay, even if you write it the where condition, okay, where condition. Okay, if you write it here where condition, okay, where okay, custom number is equal to C1 I will give. Okay, let me check here like C1. Let me execute here. I'll test here. Okay, is there no data is not there? I think customer C1 or so. Activate here. Okay, C1. Okay, now it is working. Let me rerun once again. Change button, program, extended program already tested. Now code inspector I am checking. Okay, is there any warning here? Any warning here? Before one was there. Now I changed some performance related. Then where class was completed. Okay, this is we are calling error checkings, warnings, and informations about that. Any all should be 000. If it is any issues there, it will show here. Just double click and change that. That is we can call code inspector. Okay, code inspector. Okay, code inspector is a transaction code is code inspector. SC ID and okay, extended program checker, extended program checker. Okay, extended program SLIN. SLIN. Okay, these are the names. Okay, these are the names. Okay, these are the technical related points. Okay, that's it. Technical related, everything is completed now. So one program is there. I think that program I will check it with the program. Okay, some more related option. Okay, that. The remaining all are complete. Tomorrow, okay, today I have some like I have to go out actually. Okay, 9 o'clock. Okay. I will explain tomorrow what is implementation methodology, what is support project, what is implementation, okay, what is implementation, what is support, what is upgradations, okay, what are the phases are there, ASAP methodology phases, okay, you can call ASAP methodology. What is ASAP methodology? This all implementation related approach methodology. Okay, each okay, or like 5 phases are there. Why we are using these 5 phases? Okay, each and every phase I will explain clearly this ASAP methodology. This ASAP methodology related document I'll share you. Then okay, just now I'm sharing to you. Okay, you can check that one. In this we have 5 phases are there. Each phase like what is project preparation, what is business blueprint, why we are doing this business blueprint related. Okay, these all okay step by step node. Okay, like these are all project related information only. Each and every point. Okay, what why we will do in realization, what exactly your work in realization. Okay, okay, I shared you this document to you. Okay, in WhatsApp you can check. Okay, this document I am going to explain tomorrow class and ASAP methodology. After ASAP methodology, okay, in the types of projects also ASAP methodology. Then remaining concepts. Okay, tomorrow, okay, I'll take it this extend. Okay, this related point. Okay, tomorrow. Then next class. Okay, by Thursday I'll complete the okay remaining topics. Any pending any pending also I'll check it. I'll complete it. Okay, by Thursday. Okay, tomorrow implementation methodology, support, upgradations, why we are using, then any related. Okay, if you want to highlight your resume points, all will concentrate tomorrow and day after tomorrow. These 2 classes I will complete it. Okay. Today I have some work. Okay, I have to go for market. I think. Okay, that's why. Okay, I'll stop it today only, and tomorrow I will continue. Okay, I'll continue some 15 minutes at time. Okay. Praveen,
Okay.
clear? Okay, yeah, Satish, Amit, okay, yeah, Praveen, okay, I'll stop it now.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Satish, yeah, welcome.